And you mentioned core, having a strong core.
Absolutely.
It's important, but I love what Dr. Burleson said. It's not just about the abs.
Right.
It's about balancing the muscles out.
That's right.
Lumbar spine, hip, as well as abs.
Yeah, and it's, because we extrapolate from the chest too, that's the problem, is that if it's almost worse if you're someone that goes to the gym once a week and you just do, like as a guy, you do the show muscles, right? So you do your biceps and your pecs. Great, but you eventually, you do the crunches and you do this and you walk around like this. And if you ask people for every time that you've done a set on the pec deck, how many times did you do back extensions? It's not a good ratio, right? So you're right. It's more about balance with the chest. I'll tell people every time you go and do bench press, you need to do the fly machine or something to help your back and the muscles between your scapulae strengthen themselves, so you don't just become someone who's pulling your shoulder blades around the front of your body. And with your core, people are always interested to learn when I say, I'm going to send you to therapy because you have a lumbar strain and you're going to work on your core. So it's going to be your abs and your back muscles. And they'll say, well, I'm going to work on the back muscles when the back muscles hurt. And I'll say, yeah, because there's a bunch of them back there. Right. And if you strengthen the other ones, they will offload the injured one and they will stretch out your core anteriorly. And then when you do your abs, you'll do some stretching of the back, but we're not going to go crazy with the crunches, and then they find themselves that slowly over a few sessions and at home doing their own exercises, that they walk straighter, the pain bothers them less, and they all say the same thing, especially those that were less active. I feel like I have more energy now. The pain is gone, but I feel more energetic. And then I realize that they're getting the dopamine hit from working out. They're doing the workout, which makes you feel better, which makes you see more light at the end of the tunnel, and it makes this positive feedback loop.
Light that's not a train.
That's not a train, that's right.